This is an Amazon Echo, second generation. It's not plugged up. There's no power. Sitting in the middle of the table. Echo. 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 Now, this is an Amazon Echo second generation on mute because now it has a battery, no wires, sitting in the middle of the table, and you can use it. Let's check it out. Echo, what's the weather like today?
Right now in McDonough, it's 76 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has thunderstorms, with a high of 81 degrees and a low of 73 degrees.
This is the smatree battery pack for the Amazon Echo and the Amazon Echo Plus. Let's check this out. So if you've ever wanted to take your Amazon device to a different area of the house, it may be plugged into the wall, in the kitchen, on a desk, on a table, by the lampstand, and it's right by the wall because it needs that electrical outlet socket. Wait no more. Pick up one of these portable batteries. It's made by the company Smatree, not Smartree, but Smatree. You actually just charge this base up and you sit your device down in it, plug it in. The power's down here. You plug this in. This gives your Amazon device power. Now you can also charge a device from here, has an output of power, and this is where you plug your original Amazon charger plug in right there. That charges this battery up. It takes about an hour or two to charge, but once it is fully charged, it will give you 10 hours of battery life. Now, it comes with this insert. Now, this insert is for the Amazon Echo Plus because it's a little bit more narrow than the Echo second generation. So if you have the Plus, you're gonna need this piece for it to fit in here snugly and properly. Now, to keep up with your battery, you have these little indicators. They're going to disappear as your battery dwindles down. Once it gets down, this will die and it will cut off again. But right now, you see, we do have power. There are no cords. This is an amazing device. Awesome device. I love my Amazon products, and this is one way I can use this around the house whenever I get ready. You just unplug it, pick it up, take it where you're going. You get your news, your weather, your music. If you're in the garage, if you're in the basement, wherever you are, you can take this and you can have anything that you would normally have anywhere else around the house where this will be plugged in at. So I'm gonna leave a link to this in the description below. Be sure and like my video, be sure and share them with people, and be sure and subscribe for more content. I have more videos coming later on this week. As you all know, the new Echo devices will be coming out, so I will be getting those. I will be doing more reviews on those, just telling you how they work and if they're worth upgrading to. So until next time, be sure and like this, give me that thumbs up, please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.